This meeting is being recorded.
Hello, everyone. Today we are going to um, read um, a file into our program in C++. So, in order to do that, we're going to need an F string object so that we can work with files. And that F string object we're going to call file. We're also going to need um, a string object, or variable, I should say. Why is that happening? Oh, that's weird. We're also going to create a string object called input so that we can store input we read from a file in it. And then we're going to open the file in read mode. And this is not the correct name of the text file we want to use. The name of that text file is called uh, Germany. It's called Germany underscore Brazil. TXT. All right. Next, we want to check to see if the file is open because it might fail. And then if it does open, we're going to read a line of text. We're going to start a while loop and read a line of text um, using the file fstring object and store it in the string input variable. And then we're going to display the contents of what was stored in that variable, just to make sure that we've actually read information from the file. And then we're going to close the file because if you open a file, you got to close it. Furthermore, there's a chance that the file doesn't open, so we'll do this. Uh, we'll have this else condition where we have a character out statement mentioning that we are unable to open the file, so we understand that's the reason why. So let's hit the run button to see if it works. And there it is, the contents of a file, the German underscore Brazil text file. Now, next thing we're going to do is we're going to um, insert my first name and the last 4 digits of my phone number at the top of the file. And so in order to do that, we're going to want to open the file again because we just closed it. And we're going to want to check to see if the file is open. And assuming the file does open, we are going to say file. File.cp. So this means we are going to use the file fstring object to seek the position where we would like to insert text. In position 0, so we're going to move 0 positions from the beginning of the document. So, this is just a fancy way of saying we're going to insert what we'd like to insert at the beginning of the document. And then we'll say file. Anthony 7159. We don't need to add anything there. And then we'll close the file. And of course, we'll have an else condition if for whatever reason we were unable to close the file. There you can see our name is at the beginning of the file. And of course, we also wanted to save the name, have the save file, say the name of this file as our name, my name, and the last 4 digits of my phone number. And that should conclude this lab project. Thank you.